My name is Tiara Dutra. I am a second-year student here at UB. I didn't realize how important, anatomy and physiology was. Dental hygiene goes beyond than just the mouth. It treats your overall health. So it's really important that you pay attention to all those classes and really give this, your focus and your attention. And it's a great profession. It's a great school to be at. Just go for it.
My name is Anna Amor, and I'm a second-year student at UB. It's challenging to decide which school you want to go to. I've been a dental assistant for 5 years, and so I had the opportunity to share with different hygienists that I've worked with and ask them about their experience when they were going to school. And after a long period of research, I realized that I wanted to go to UB, not only because it's the first school of dental hygiene. They have a lot of things to offer to us. Not only seeing patients in the clinic floor, we are exposed to different experiences. We go to schools, we go to hospitals, and I think that really prepares you for when you graduate.
My name is Mary Sortino. I'm a second-year student here at the Phone School of Dental Hygiene. I think that UB has a really good reputation for putting out clinicians that are really prepared to go straight into private practice. Being in Bridgeport, there's a lot of really amazing public health programs here that I really wanted to get involved with. Whether we're here in clinic or we're going out to preschools, public health centers, you're interacting with so many different people that you just get such great clinical experience, such great people skills. We spend so much time in clinic between our clinic or on outside rotation that forces you to be prepared to get a patient done within an hour, come across all those different scenarios and handle them well. Where you'll be in 2 years from where you start is completely different than how you were before you started the program.